This is the tool I use for spinning steel wool. It's just a cheap egg whisk attached to the end of a skipping rope. The skipping rope has a ball bearing in the handle which makes for easy spinning. I take a roll of polishing steel wool that I bought from the hardware store, rip off a clump, fluff it up a bit, and shove it into the egg whisk. And then grab the lighter and light it up. Now as you start spinning this, obviously it will get more oxygen in it and will burn hotter and shoot out more sparks. And I should point out the dangers of spinning steel wool, as it can easily start a fire, so please be really careful when you're doing this. This is the 360 camera I have. It's called the Insta361. Basically it has two fisheye lenses on either side of it and captures two images and then stitches them together into one full 360 image. I mount it on a tripod, set it on the ground, set it to a 15-second countdown timer, walk back, get in position, light the steel wool and then start spinning while trying to keep my body as still as possible. Here's a video of me spinning steel wool in my front yard. I processed the video through After Effects and applied the echo effect, which keeps the spark trails on screen. The tiny planet effect is created by distorting a 360 image and projecting it onto a 2D plane. Here's how I do that process in a program called Insta360 Studio. This is the raw footage without the echo effect applied. This program allows me to manipulate the image in a number of different ways. I can make it look like a tunnel, like so, or stretch it out, which makes it look like I'm standing on a tiny planet. This program is very versatile, as it allows me to apply these types of effects to either photos or 4K video. Here's a still image of how this effect looks. This was a 20-second exposure at ISO 200.